Hello traders, hello everyone, how you guys doing? Welcome each and every one of you guys to this channel. If this is your first time connecting to the channel, you guys give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for new videos. And I just want to thank each and every one of you guys who have been subscribing to this new channel, everyone in the group, everyone who are hopping in this new trading course that we have been preparing for you guys for a very long time. So I just want to thank you guys for hopping on here and watching the video, and I can promise you guys are gonna get a lot from this trading course. So guys, one thing I want you guys to understand, when you begin in trading, you have to understand that being a trader, it takes time for you to become profitable as a trader. All right. So as you guys can see, when you go on YouTube, when you're watching a lot of these videos on YouTube, you see a lot of people telling you, hey, how you get rich quick, by doing trading in 6 months, 2 months, 3 months. Guys, honestly, this is not true. This is not real. All right. All of these videos that you guys are seeing on the internet with people telling you that you could be able to make money very fast, very quick, doing trading, it's not true. All right. It takes time, guys. Being a trader, it takes time. It's just like anybody who's studying any career. If you want to make money in whatever career that you're studying, you gotta give it time. You gotta study. You know what I'm saying? You're not just gonna, start a career in 1, 2, 3 months and you start earning big money. So guys, you gotta put in the work. So I just wanna congratulate each and every one of you guys who's connected to this video right now, who's watching this trading course. That's telling you that, hey, you really wants to learn. You really want to grow. You really want to make money. So something else that I really want to let you guys know is that, guys, as a trader, you're not gonna be, get rich in a year. So a lot of you guys come in the trading market with that mentality that, hey, I'm trying to get this money as fast. Everyone think trading is easy. They got in there and they want to make millions of dollars very fast. I just want you to take this thing out of your head, because if you come here with this mindset that you're gonna be making fast, that you're gonna get rich quick, you're gonna be losing a lot of money and you might not be able to make anything back. So it's very important for you to erase all of these things and learn. As a beginner, you need to learn. So all of the big traders that you guys see who are making money in trading, these guys, they did not get this overnight. They had to go through a lot of things for them to be where they are. So if you want to be a profitable trader, you have to go to what they've been through. But one of the most important things that I want you guys to understand, that I'm sharing my journey with you guys. I'm sharing all the things that I've learned in these 4 years that I've been doing trading, all these ups and downs, so that you don't have to go through the same thing. Okay, so if you want to be a good trader, don't think that you're gonna get rich quick. This is not how it works. All right, it takes time. Okay, so let's get started with the course, guys. All right, so this is very important what I've just said. If you somebody who's just jumping in this course and like, I don't want to hit it, I'm sorry for you, but you're not gonna make money in trading. You have to learn this thing from the beginning. All right, so let's begin with our course. So this is our trading beginners course, because I know that most of you guys who are hopping in this new course, that's because you guys are new. All right, so we're gonna start from the beginning. All right, guys, so we're gonna be looking at today the different types of trading that exist. Okay, it's very important for you to understand the different types of trading that there is. So let's go. So in order for you to understand this, you have to understand the different types of trading exist there. So before we start, the following statements do not constitute investment advice or any other advice on financial services, financial instrument, financial product, or digital asset. They are intended, this course is intended to provide general information. Okay? So this course is here to teach you guys about trading. It's very important that you guys understand this. Our table of content, what we're going to be seeing today. Number one is what is trading. In number two, what are the most common types of trading? Very important that you guys understand this. In this presentation is being presented by Steven St. Pierre. Okay, I'm the one who's presenting this course to you guys, Steven St. Pierre. So let's start with our course introduction, guys. So one thing that we need to understand, all of you guys needs to understand, is the world of financial trading is exciting, is dynamic, and is always changing, and also overwhelming at the same time. Okay, so there's a lot of learning to do. That's what I was saying in the beginning. You have to learn this. You have to learn. You have to sit down, just like you are watching this video right now, just like you are watching this course right now. You have to sit down and learn, but don't never fear. Don't have no fear. If you have fear, if you're afraid of learning, if you're afraid of hopping up and of open up your computer, your phone to get in the chart, you're not ever gonna be able to make money. So in order for you to make money, you have to not be afraid. Okay, so from stocks to cryptocurrency, commodities to forex, there are different types of trading opportunities depending on your risk profile in your trading strategy, and we're gonna be seeing some of that today. So deciding to invest your money is just the beginning of this. Okay, it's the fact that you guys want to trade, it's a very good thing that you guys want to trade. That shows that you really want to make money, and I can assure you, you can make a lot of money in trading. There's a lot of money in this thing, but like I said, there's a lot of learning to do. So if you still watching this video right now, because I know there's a lot of people who gonna start this video and they're gonna see all these things, they're gonna be like, oh, they're just gonna skip to the next video. But if you're still here right now, I just want to congratulate you for being here at this moment. All right, so let's move on. So what are the most common types of trading, guys? It's important for you to understand the most common type of trading. So before diving into the forex market, it's wise to understand that each type of trading, it's wise to understand each type of trading, and this will help you to make investment decisions that match your goals in preferred level of risk. Experienced traders often combine multiple strategies or adapt their approaches based on market condition, risk tolerance, and individual preferences to optimize their trading success. Okay, so there are different types of trading in a market. There are different types. So it's important for you to understand, okay, yeah, there are different types of trading. What kind of trader I am? What kind of trading am I going to focus on? Because everybody, each and every one of us, have our own style of trading. At the beginning, I did not understand this, but more we get into trading, the more we understand this. You have your own style. So moving through this course, you're gonna have to figure out how do you figure this out? By trading. You're gonna have to trade. So you're gonna have to figure out what kind of trader are you. And we're gonna talk about the different types of trading. So before we get into the different types of trading, first of all, we have to understand what is trading. You understand? So first of all, you have to understand what is trading. So trading refers to the buying and selling of financial assets such as stocks and bonds, to generate profits, you know. So we buy stocks, we sell them so we can make a profit off them. The idea is to capitalize on price fluctuations, and traders use different strategies, time frames, and analysis techniques to make decision, you know. So all of these things have to do with this, with your style. What kind of person are you? What kind of trader are you? You know. So you're gonna have to figure out what kind of trader are you. You know. So that's why it takes time. You have to learn. You have to learn about yourself, who you are, in order for you to trade. Because if you're this type of trader, let's say if you are a swing trader and you're doing day trading, or you're doing other types of trading, you know, then you're gonna realize that you're not feeling good, like you're not making the money that you're supposed to do, and things are not working out for you until you figure out what kind of trader you are. Okay, so trading takes place in the stock markets and the forex exchange. All right, one thing we have to understand: forex means foreign exchange. Okay, so that's the name of forex. The stock market is different, but forex is just the abbreviation for foreign exchange market. So we have commodities exchange in other financial markets as well. As we'll cover next, different types of trading range from short-term to long-term investment. There comes the importance of knowing what kind of trader are you. Are you this short-term type of trader, or are you this long-term type of trader? If you're still in this video right now, big congratulations to you. I give you clap, because most people, they will not stay into this time. So congratulations. That's because you really want to learn, and I can assure you, if you at this stage still watching this video, that's because you're gonna be a professional. You're gonna be a profitable trader. Okay, so let's start with our course. I mean, we have already started, but let's start talking about the things that we really need to talk about. So these are some of the most common types of trading. Number one, we have the day trading, or the day trader, right? Day trading. So day trading involves buying and selling assets within the same trading day. That means from 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. the goal is to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations, and traders close out their position by the end of the day to avoid the risk of price changing overnight. To be successful in day trading, you need to stay dialed into the market trends and be able to make decisions quickly. So, me, I am a day trader. This is the type of trade that I like to do. You know, I've tried swing trading. I'm sorry, it's kind of late over here, guys. I've tried swing trading, which is when we're gonna talk about that. I've tried other shorter time trading, and I've realized that okay, I think I am more into the day trading. That's why you need to understand what kind of trader are you. You know, so the day trader, they open up their, they buy whatever they need to buy. If you're in the stock, you are in the stock market, you're in forex, then you're trading the forex market. So you open up your positions from 9 a.m. and you try to close them at the end of the day around 3:30 to 4. And like we just said, the goal is to capitalize on short-term price fluctuations. So this is the number one kind of trading, the day trading. So you have to understand this. This is one of the most famous types of trading that exist. So you have to understand there are different types of trading. So this is number one. Number one is day trading. Number two, we have swing trading. All right. Swing trading is unlike day trading. Swing traders might hold position overnight for several days, aiming to profit from the swing in price. This typically involves analyzing technical indicators in other factors influencing the market. So a swing trader will hold their position for like several days, 3, 4, 5 days, a week, or even more than a week. Because a swing trader is not in the chart like every day like a day trader. A day trader, they trade every single day. They have to be on the market every day, looking for um opportunities to take. But a swing trader, they would hop on a chart on Monday, they will take a trade, and they wouldn't go back on the chart like, let's say, after 3-4 days. These are people that doesn't have a lot of time to be spending on a chart and doing all that stuff. So they just open one position from Monday morning and they close it on Friday evening before the market close. So this is the second type of trading that exists. So you have to understand that these types of trading exist and what they are. So number 3 is position trading. Position trading focuses on long-term trends and can span weeks and months, even years. So traders identify major market move and hold position for extended periods to profit from their expected trend. It takes a clear understanding of economic factors and market cycles, plus you need a willingness to tolerate short-term price fluctuation so that you can potentially benefit from higher returns over time. Right? So position trading is somebody that holds a trade for weeks, months, or even years. So you have to figure out, okay, in which category am I going to be in? Am I going to be a swing trader? And am I going to be a position trader, or am I going to day trader? And also, we have what we call algorithmic or automated trading, which is trading relies on computer programs such as robots, algorithms to execute trades. They follow specific trading strategies, making fast decisions based on predetermined criteria. This form of trading depends on quantitative analysis, backtesting, and programming skills. Now that's when the robots come in. When people talk about robots, they use robots to do this, and that. This is the kind of trading that it is. So algorithmic trading is the one that you program this robot to trade for you, and your robot will do it. And we have scalping. Scalping is an ultra short-term trading strategy where traders aim to profit from small price movements. They hold their assets for brief periods, minutes, or even seconds. Okay, this is the shortest type of trading. You hold the trade for seconds, for 30 seconds, for a minute. You just buy, you sell for 30 seconds, and that's it. To accumulate multiple small gains throughout the day. This type of trading is for experts in market liquidity who are comfortable executing trades at lightning speed. So this type of trading, I do not recommend you beginners to do scalping, because you're gonna lose all your money doing scalping. Because scalping is for people who have a very good amount of experience. It's for expert in the market. So I've done scalping. It's not for me. I rather do day trading. And I think it's better for you guys who are starting this new journey on trading. So I do not recommend you to do scalping. I would recommend you to focus on day trading or swing trading. These two I highly recommend it, and you should check them out. I'm not saying that if you love scalping that you cannot do it. You can do it too. If that's what you want to do, then do it. But for personal knowledge and what I've gained in the market, I highly recommend day trading or swing trading. Alright, So how to get started with the financial trading? So guys, I want you guys to understand that no matter what type of trading that you're interested in, that you want to do, it's always best to take your time learning about the financial market. Hop on the chart, you know, check out your trading strategies and risk managing practices, and only start trading once you've got a strong handle on financial markets. When it comes to trading, knowledge is definitely power. First, select the type of strategy that fits your risk profile and budget, whether it's scalping, day trading, swing trading, or position trading. Then craft your trading plan and investment portfolio. The final step involves executing the trading strategy in a live environment with or without the help of a broker. Before jumping into it, practice on a model account, which is a demo account, to get the experience that you need. So, very important what we have just shared today. You know, when it comes to trading, knowledge is definitely power. You need knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge and you're gonna jump on trading like that, you're just gonna be throwing all your money away. I'm telling you, because I've been there, I've done that before, and I've lost a lot of money. But thank God, I'm making my money back, because now I know what kind of trader I am. You know, I am risking. I'm not risking all my money. I have a trading strategy. I have a mentor who mentors me, and I am practicing risk management. This is very important. You have to understand how to manage your money, how to risk in the market. So most people, they lose their money that because they don't know how to risk. So we're gonna be having videos on that as well. We're gonna have trading courses on that as well. So if you got here to this part of this course, I just want to thank you guys for getting here. Very important. So if we're gonna jump on the chart for a bit so that we can look at the chart. Our next class, we're gonna be talking about the chart. So one thing that I need you guys to understand, when the market is going up like this, when the market is going up, it's called a bull market, right? So when the market is going up, what you do, you buy. You know, for example, this is a bull market right there. It have a push there, a pullback, and a pull again, a push, a push. So when the market is going down, it's called a bear market. Okay, when the market is going up, it's a bull. When it's going down, it's a bear. When the market is going up, you buy. Okay, when the market is going up, that's when you buy. When the market is going down, that's when you sell. So market is going up, this is a bull market right here, this is a bull market right here, and when the market is going down, this is a bear market. You sell. So one thing you have to always understand, like all of the high top traders have said it, you have to follow the trend. You have to go with the trend. Whatever the trends do, that's what you have to do. That's what you need to do. If the market is going up, you don't sell, you buy. And also, if the market is going down like this, you don't buy, you sell. Very, very, very important. Very important, guys. So right now we're gonna hop on. We're gonna go on the chart. We're gonna check the chart right now, guys. We're gonna see. We're gonna go on the market and let's see what's going on in the market. I'm just going to open up the charts to show you guys some things on the market. Okay. So like I was saying, I was showing you the market just a while ago, right? For example, right now this is a bullish market, guys. The market is going up, right? Let me show you guys. I have a few things here that let me take this off. Okay. So right now, as you guys can see, we have a bullish market. The market is going up, right? The market right now is going up. And from this part right here, from here to there, the market was going down. We had a bearish market, and from there, the market stopped going down, and it turns around. Now we have a bullish market. Important, very important for you to understand this. Okay, so from there, we had a bullish market. From here, so market is moving, pull back, push, pull back, push, pull back, push. You see, that's a downtrend. The market is going down. Let me erase this, and also let me erase this. So market is going down, but as soon as market got here on this spot right here, as soon as the market got here, the market stopped going down, right? So as soon as the market get here, it stops going down. The market start going up. So the market come from being a bear market. Okay, 1 second here. We're just gonna grab the market come from being a bear market that's a bear market to a bull market, or buy market so when the market is going up like this, you buy, guys. You don't sell anywhere here. You buy, and from here you sell, guys. The market goes down, you don't buy when the market is going down. Why would you buy something when it's losing value? You don't buy something when it's losing value, you sell it. And when it's gaining value, then you buy it. Okay, so right now the market is going down. So this is the market structure. So the next class that we're gonna be talking about market structure. But I just wanted to to open up the chart with you guys so that you guys can see what is this about. This is the market structure right here. For you, as you can see here, look, from all this place right here, from there the market was going down. You see, this is a bullish, this is a bearish market. Market was just coming down like crazy. Right, market was coming down. So you can imagine somebody who opened up a trade there. Can you imagine somebody opening up a trade here? They made some big money. Look at this. And somebody would have held this trade for like days. So when the market is going down like this, you don't buy for no reason. You should never buy when you see the market is going down. When the market is going down like this, you sell. For example, if you guys are gonna be watching this very soon, I'm gonna give you guys a free signal right here. As you can see, market reach here. Market is going to continue going up. So there's a right here, market is going to go back up. Why? Because market is going in an uptrend. Market is going up, it's not going down. Even though here we have some type of resistance there, that's like a resistance. but I strongly believe that the market is going to break this resistance and continue to go up. It's going to continue to go up, and I think the market is going to reverse run right here. Because why did I say that? Because the market just started going up right now, just now. Market have a lot of in RSI, we can see that the market has a long way to go, very long way to go. So it have to go up there, it have to reach there before it comes back down again. So right now the market is going up. So I don't want to make this video too long, guys. In the next class we're going to be checking out market structure, okay, the market structure. So I just wanted to show you guys about the chart. So all of you guys who have not created your account yet, it's important for you to create your account, because next time we're gonna be opening up our chart together and we can study this together. So guys, if you stayed to the end of this class, I just want to congratulate you. And if anybody, today is the 24th of March, and I give you free signal because market is gonna keep going up. Okay, market is gonna go up because we are in an uptrend. Okay, we are in an uptrend right now. It's not coming down, it's going up until we got a reverse. So if anybody wants a free signal, this is a free signal. I'm going to send it in the group tomorrow so that you guys can see how this is going to work out. Okay, so thank you so much for being here today, for having the first class with us. We're gonna be having the next class this weekend. I will be sending all the information in the group, and I highly recommend that you subscribe to the channel and give it a like. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace out. I'll see you guys soon. All right.